Looking for a reliable phone that won't drain your wallet? The Samsung Galaxy A06 might be your perfect match. Stick around to see if this budget-friendly option is worth your attention. Today, we're breaking down the Samsung Galaxy A06. From its features and performance to its value for money, we'll cover everything you need to know. Let's dive in. The Samsung Galaxy A06 is designed to offer solid performance without a hefty price tag. Let's start with the display. The phone sports a 6.7-inch PLS LCD screen. While it's large and offers a good viewing experience for browsing and watching videos, it has a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. This means that while it's clear enough for most tasks, it won't match the sharpness of higher-end models. The display is good for everyday use, but if you're a stickler for high resolution, you might want to consider other options. Under the hood, the Galaxy A06 is powered by Android 14 and the MediaTek Helio G85 chipset. This combination is aimed at providing a smooth experience for basic tasks like social media, web browsing, and light gaming. It features an octa-core processor with 2 performance cores running at 2.0 GHz and 6 efficiency cores at 1.8 GHz. This setup is decent for a phone in this price range but won't handle high-end gaming or intensive multitasking with ease. When it comes to storage, the A06 offers 2 options, 64 GB with 4 GB of RAM or 128 GB with 6 GB of RAM. Both versions come with a dedicated microSD slot, allowing you to expand your storage if you need more space for apps, photos, and videos. This is a nice touch, especially for those who take a lot of pictures or download a lot of content. Speaking of cameras, the Galaxy A06 features a dual camera setup on the back. The main camera is a 50MP wide lens, which should deliver clear and detailed photos in good lighting conditions. There's also a 2MP depth sensor to help with portrait shots, giving you the ability to blur the background and focus on your subject. On the front, you'll find an 8MP selfie camera, which should take decent pictures for social media and video calls. One of the standout features of the A06 is its battery life. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which is quite generous for a budget phone. This should easily last a full day of regular use, and with 25W fast charging support, you won't be waiting around forever to recharge. This makes it a practical choice for those who use their phone heavily throughout the day. The build quality of the Galaxy A06 is straightforward but functional. It has a glass front, plastic back, and plastic frame. While it might not feel as premium as some more expensive phones, it's sturdy enough for daily use. You'll also find a fingerprint sensor on the side for added security, and it includes a 3.5mm headphone jack, something that's becoming less common in newer phones. For connectivity, it supports USB Type-C 2.0 for charging and data transfer. The A06 comes in 3 colors: blue, gold, and white, giving you a few stylish options. Priced around $159.99, it's an attractive choice if you're looking for a budget-friendly device that doesn't skimp on essential features. To sum it up, the Samsung Galaxy A06 offers a lot of value for its price. It's a solid performer for everyday tasks, has a good battery life, and includes features like expandable storage and a decent camera setup. If you're after a reliable and affordable phone, this one is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.